Subscribe HR's new Microsoft SharePoint app is now available on the app dashboard in Subscribe HR. All Subscribe HR's Microsoft apps are self-installing, which means your admin team or a system administrator can install this app themselves without having to refer to documentation outside the system itself. To get started on app configuration and setup, you click on the Settings button and then open the Setup Wizard. And the Setup Wizard will step you through the app configuration process step by step with instructions for every step that you need to take in Microsoft. The first two steps just give you an overview of instructions and requirements, and then for each step you follow the instruction in the text and reference the screenshot that has been provided, and then when you've finished each step, tick the checkbox and move on to the next step. If there's anything you need to know about each step and what you need to do in Microsoft at that point in time, there will be some instructions and a screenshot. Some steps require you to input information. I'm just using test information for the purposes of this video. You'll be required to put the correct information into the relevant fields when you go through the setup process. And you just continue through each step of the self-installing app, following the instructions in the screenshots. Confirming that you've got the information in the right place, adding the correct information at each step in the wizard when required, ticking each step as you complete it. You won't be able to move forward to the next step of the wizard until you tick the checkbox to say that you've completed that step. In the Microsoft SharePoint app, you will be asked to make some selections and input some settings from the drop-down menus at this configuration settings step of the wizard. And then once the process is complete, you will get a success message. So that's how simple and easy it is to install the SharePoint app in Subscribe HR. We call this a self-installing app because all the instructions and the information that you need to complete the configuration and installation process is contained in the app itself.